Hey, good morning, everyone. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Hope you had a nice weekend. Before we get started, let's talk about the disclaimer. This broadcast is for demonstration educational purposes only. It's important to know that I am not a licensed financial advisor, not offering any type of trading advice here today. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. Good morning, everybody. It is Monday. Very quickly, we always start the day by looking at the Forex Factory calendar. It is August 10th, Monday. And if you're joining us today, well, that's the good news. Any day above ground, I consider it a blessed day, a good day. Much better than the alternative. Amen. We hate unpleasant surprises. In order to prevent them, we want to know what the economic news reports will be that are coming out today. We're going to do a big giveaway today. And one of the prerequisites to win is you've got to leave a comment in the chat or you can't win. We're going to either give away a Lucid or an Apex account free of charge. What do you prefer? You prefer Lucid or Apex? We don't have any news reports of note. Let's take a look at the leaderboard. Good morning, Sven. Good morning, Tanya. Who's feeling lucky today? If today's your first day joining us, welcome. My name's Rory Powers. We're going to be showcasing the automated bots here at Right Line Trading. My leaderboard is showing the bots that are performing the best pre-market on my computer. I can click on the member leaderboard, and that's community-wide. The Mack truck, it's a consensus. The Mack truck is currently doing the best. It makes me want to take a quick look at my Mack truck. Here it is. First question, how much are we risking? If I lose, how much am I going to lose? I always like to put my profit target. I messed it up. Whoa, big move down. When I see moves like that, it makes me think of the ES. Is there going to be too much whipsaw? So if I go on my best bot tab, my RJ star is risking $500. On the community leaderboard, Sergio's up 2,900 with the RJ star. Mike is up 2,290. Rev Rick is in short on the E-mini. I like this move down, let me tell you. Let's look at the 5-minute. I always like to look at my 5-minute chart. Let's see market structure-wise what the market is set up for. You could see, let's go back to $1,800 last night. We had a nice move up during the Asian session, but pre-market, we're headed straight down, high volume. So we're looking for shorts on the NQ, and we're set up for shorts on the E-mini currently. We bounced off of support. Sergio's RJ star is at 3960. I'm curious to see if I have the same settings. I can view his settings. I have the exact same settings as Sergio on his RJ star. Let's take a look at the RJ star. The RJ star, which is my best bot, is risking how much? $500. So let me go on my best bot. I'm going to take my best bot and put it on my trade copier. And I'm willing to risk $250. So I can trade 5 micros, which I'm on. Perfect. Oh, I just missed the button. I was going to jump on it. I'm going to put my profit target right above support. I'm in a beautiful trade here. I know on my 5-minute, I'm set up for shorts. I got to pull back to support to the 50 and a roll to the downside. Not a bad entry. Not a bad entry. I kind of like it. Let's see. Now all the risk is off. Now we just need some wiggle room here. We need a little wiggle room. Good morning, Mac. Good morning, Dan. Apex. Dan wants an Apex. Here we go. Here we go. Getting the leapfrog. That was a signal C entry. Oh, my best spot's still in. Oh, it's on the MNQ. Let's go. It managed the trade differently. Oh, I moved must have moved something. Mark Miller's up 2,900 on his Mac truck. Sergio's best spot, we call it the session leader, is probably trading the RJ. I'm in a beautiful trade on this best spot. Trading 5 micros on the best spot. Let's give it a run. We need a signal C entry. Okay, we're in. I want to bring my profit target right up to support. Come on down. Come on, push lower. Yeah, I saw that one coming. Best spots on my RJ. RJ is using, if I look at my RJ is doing a signal A and C. An A and C. Retirement plan is running up the score. Here comes a short move on a signal B. Good morning, Rao. Is it his birthday? Oh my goodness, I hope not. I forgot to tell him happy birthday if it is. Watch this signal A short. Here comes a signal A short if it rolls back down. I do not want a, here we go. Come on. I don't want a long trade. I do want a short trade. Tanya. What do I mean by signal C? That's the trigger. The trigger. What triggers the trade? Okay, we're in short. I'll show you in just a second. Oh, wow. Oh, we're long. How did I get there? Oh, no. I'm not crazy about counter trend trades. Signal C, what a signal C means is the oscillator that's under my Laguerre oscillator, the second oscillator down. It has the blue midline in it. That's my signal C trigger. When price breaks back down through that blue line, it gives me an entry. So if it was to roll to the downside and cross that blue line, that would be the signal C entry. That's the trigger for the trade. We have a great video in the Discord. RJ's on a run. We have a great video in the Discord. It's called Triggers. And I highly recommend watching it. It's a very short video. It's about 15 minutes. And it goes into exactly what triggers a trade. Really like this RJ today. It's crushing it. Let me go back to NQRJ. RJ has a 200 tick stop. I sure missed that one. Signal A and C. Riza, in the, I'm going to send you a video. Signal A is it's looking at my RSI line and my Laguerre oscillator. When it's pinned to the top and it breaks down through the 80% line, the RSI line comes out of that green shaded area. That's a signal A trigger to go short. If it's pinned down to the bottom and comes up through the red line, through the 20% line, that's a signal A long. That's the triggers, part of the triggers. Here's another entry. I'm going to try to kick in my leapfrog quicker because I'm headed into a lot of upside resistance. I'm looking out of the side of my eye here at the 5-minute, though. The 5-minute is still saying short. Ooh, look at the Heikin-Ashi on the crude oil. Look at this crude signal long. Let's see what kind of volume. 220 contracts a minute on crude. Getting a big buy signal right through resistance. Very tempting to take this trade on crude. Big volume on crude. CL Black Gold is in a really nice trade right now. Look at that entry it took. Boy, I think this thing's going to run to the upside. Let's see if we can unlock this. I think I'm going to take an entry on crude. Very tempting. I'm a little late to the party. The break of resistance was a beautiful crude entry. Eduardo from Argentina. Good morning. Hello. Good to see you, sir. Don't forget, in the description of my video should be a link to register for today's giveaway. We're going to be giving away the account a little earlier today than normal. I just need you to write a comment in the chat box. Let me know if you want a Lucid or an Apex account. What do you prefer today? Here we go. Oh man, I tell you, I'm really thinking I should play that crude oil. I've hesitated on it. We're bouncing back on our 5-minute. We're coming right back. This is my 5-minute chart on the Nasdaq. We got high volume candles retracing to support. Boy, crude was a beauty. You know what? I think I'm going to take a crude trade long. Oh, we just leapfrog too. took a trade on crude. Getting the Heikin-Ashi signals to go long. And here comes a short roll on our NQ best spot. Whoa. I closed the crude trade. Go back to break even. Let's see if we can get a retirement plan. The market is taking a roll off the 50 on the Nasdaq. RJ is my best spot. My most profitable bot is the retirement plan. It's not going to set up. Let's try the best bot. A lot of buying pressure on crude oil. My best bot is the retirement plan right now. This could be a retirement plan entry short if it rolls right here. Why? Because this RSI line and my Laguerre oscillator is pinned to 100%. The signal A short would be that RSI line breaking down through the 80% line. Here we go. This could be a retirement plan. Crude is going straight up to the moon. Let's get in another crude trade. I got a feeling crude's going to fly. Okay, we're in short on the Nasdaq. No risk on the trade. Got a leapfrog. Nice. I'm playing the Heikin-Ashi long on crude on a discretionary entry. Come on up, crude. Got my profit goal between 250 to 500. 127 is 125. I'm going to take 125. Just play the 125 on crude oil. It's 125. It's $100,000 eval, so I need a little bit more profit on that one. Look to make about 500 a day on it if I can. That's a good question, manager. I don't know enough about Lucid to give you a good answer, to be honest with you. I've heard good things from our members. I've made a lot of money with Apex, so I kind of lean towards them, to be honest. But I have heard really great things from our members regarding Lucid. Come on up, crude. Oh, don't stop me out on crude. Come on. Ah, darn. Oh, wow. Look at the sell-off on gold. I'm looking at the Heikin-Ashi system. Look at those beautiful signals short. Best spot's back in short. Reza said Apex is better. Oh yeah, the Apex has, both an intraday trailing drawdown and an end of day trailing drawdown. With the end of day trailing drawdown, they only give you half of your daily loss limit in any one single session. So on a $50,000 account, if your loss limit is, if they give you $2,000 of drawdown, you can only lose one of those 2,000 in any single session. Where on an intraday trailing drawdown, they do give you your full drawdown, the full 2,000. So if you were to play our one-day pass bots, you would want to go with an intraday trailing drawdown because you really need the full trailing threshold. You need every bit of it. Here's crude oil, the E-mini. The E-mini market structure-wise is looking good on a long trade on this 1 minute. On my 5 minute, price is still below the 50. No, I take that back. It just broke above the 50. We don't have a 1550 cross. The E-mini just broke above the VWAP on my 5 minute. Now my background bias just kicked in. So if I was going to take a discretionary trade, really would wait for that high volume candle to kick in on the Heikinashi. The ES Rev Rick is in long. We got some running room to the upside. If we break through resistance on the Nasdaq, we're in a very narrow range. You can see how our software defines it right here. This is a really nice entry. A signal B right through resistance. My live P&L, my RJ. I'm going to look to get into one more entry. RJ is actually in a trade right now. Long. Here's the RJ. Let's see if it breaks through resistance. If this breaks through resistance, this could have some running room to the upside. Crude oil came to the top of my leaderboard. Oh, there it goes. It's gone. Gone. I knew that breakthrough resistance was the trade. Does the ES follow it? Look at this $1,000 trade. What a reversal. Okay, we're in the leapfrog. We're going to do our drawing in 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Today's back to school day. We have a meet and greet this morning with my kids' teachers. And I have to run over to the school for an hour. So we're going to go a little early today. We'll do the drawing in about 15 minutes. I'm hoping to get into one more trade. I really like this break we got through resistance here. I was waiting for that. I missed it. The E-mini never did give us that high volume candle. Crude is waffling. Gold is bouncing. The Nasdaq appears ready to launch. Could be a scalper, ES scalper long. Let's play the ES scalper long. Okay, here we go. I needed this retracement to get back into this trade. NQRJ. We're looking for a long entry here. We didn't get the pull up. We didn't get the pullback. Let's just buy it. I'm a trader 2 away from a payout on 3 PA accounts. And there it goes. Off to the races. Okay, let's do the drawing. 4 minutes, 4 minutes. In the description of my in the YouTube, in the description there should be a link where you can enter into the drawing. We're going to be giving away a free Apex or Lucid account today. The contest is not sponsored by YouTube. It's sponsored by either Apex or Lucid. Apex Trader Funding. We got a 5-gallon bucket full of free accounts over here. Trying to give them away. Let's see our member leaderboard. The RJ Star, good information. The RJ Star on Sergio's computer is up 3,400. Joe's mean reversion's up 2,300. Old submarine squid is creeping up the leaderboard, right up our leaderboard. DW, Stephen A. Let's see what crude oil's doing. Iran has given us some trouble here in the Strait of Hormuz. The price of crude is starting to pop again. It could pop right through this area of resistance and take another leg up here. Let's look for that blue high volume candle. The ES took it. The ES jumped in on the Heikinashi system. The ES Heikinashi is in long. I like your thinking, manager. If everyone else is doing the Apex, give me a lucid. Apex must be giving away too much money. Let me bring up the contest. Oh, RJ just triggered a trade. I was in a discretionary trade, and now RJ took a trade for real. I'm pulling up the drawing. Did everybody find the link in the description? We meet here Monday through Friday, God willing, at usually 9:15 a.m. Eastern. We're going to start the week off giving away a free prop account. Giveaway winner. Okay, I'm about to draw a winner. You got one more minute. One more minute. Get into that link. Let me put the link in. Let me make it fair for everybody. Give me just a moment. I'm going to put the link in. I want everybody to get a shot at a free account. I don't see the contest link. Was the contest link in there? Ken, did you see the contest link? Um, yes. Oh, okay, great. Now listen, there might be an echo. I just want to grab the link. Give me just a second. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Because I'm just going to send, if you do win, I'm going to send you a coupon code to your email address. The only thing I ask is please don't share it in any public forum. If you want to give it away as a gift, that's fine. Just give it to one person. They told me if I share it publicly, I'll never get another one. So please, if you win, okay, let's do it. When the clock hits 10:19, we're going to draw a winner. Giveaway winner. All right, I see you guys. Now they're piling in. A couple more people jumped in. Here we go. Let's do it. We're about to draw a winner here. Here we go. I'm going to refresh my browser one more time. Got it. We're going to draw it. Josh Abayomi. Abayomi is the winner. His email starts with Josh, but Abayomi was the winner. He entered this morning at 10:19. You just got it. Well, you just made it, Abayomi. You just got in under the wire. You did it. All right. That's our winner. Um, I would show it publicly. I just don't want to show his email address publicly. I tell you what I could do, though. I'll show it to you here. I could just pull it down far enough. When I click draw a winner, it'll pick a winner. And right under his name is his email address. So the winner today was Abayomi. Congratulations, Abayomi. I'm going to send you a coupon code for a free account. Did you? You're very welcome. Do you prefer a Lucid or an Apex? The Apex is any size account. I think the Lucid is a 25,000. But I'll give you the choice. You got it. You got it, man. As soon as this stream is over, I'm going to send you a coupon code. Please don't share it publicly. Congratulations. Thanks for playing. Yes, you can, Mac. The gatekeeper is Brock. I'll have to ask exactly how to get you back in. Are you able to send me a direct message in Discord, or are you completely lost access to everything? I'm the one that has the Right Line Trading logo. Me and a few of us on the team have access to that. I was going to share one personal picture from the weekend. We had a beautiful weekend. My girls are starting school, and we had one last hurrah before they start. Let me take a screenshot, Mac, of your comment, and I'll send it to Brock, and I'll ask him to get you back in. The reason I ask you to send us a message so we know what your Discord username is. You lost it too, Tanya? I'm really sorry. Tanya, are you able to see? Let me pull up Discord. Are you able to see on the left-hand column this right line trading logo? Let me pull it over. It'd help if you saw it. This right line trading logo right here. You are? Well, send me a message, please. Sven, send me a message, please. Brock had sent a message. Yeah, they understood, Tanya. He changed it, but we want to give you full access. If you're a member, you should have full access. Please, if you lost full access and you are a member of Rightline, you purchased one of our products or services, and you've lost access to our Discord, or even if you would just like access, we know who the members are. Send me an email to support@rightlinetrading.com. Support@rightlinetrading.com. Let me know in your email what your Discord username is. That's what I need. You know what? Even better yet, send it to info. I'm sorry if you haven't done it already. If you sent it to support, that's fine. But Brock is info@rightlinetrading.com. Thank you. I got that, teacup. Send an email to info. I want to thank everybody for joining me today. I've got to run really quick over to my daughter's school. I was going to show a personal picture. My girls absolutely love the pool and the beach. This is a personal picture from this weekend. This is my two little girls at the Pink Shell in Fort Myers Beach. We have one of our members, Ed, who is a resident of Fort Myers, and he told us, "Hey, take the kids to the pirate ship." And man, the kids love the pirate ship. They dressed up like pirates, and we went treasure hunting. I hope everybody has a blessed rest of your day, a great week ahead. It's Monday. We started the week with a green day. If you've lost access to Discord, I'm going to get you back in. I'm going to take a screenshot and send it to Brock right now. God bless, Riza. Thank you. Let me send this over to Brock. Have a blessed rest of your day, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Congratulations again to our winner. Let me make sure I got your email address and we're good to go. Where are you? Cheryl. All right, Cheryl. Congratulations. I just saw that. Abayomi, that's right. Abayomi. Yes. Great job, man. Congrats again. All right. Well, the market looks like it found a direction. It's headed north. The goose is loose long. The golden goose caught one long. On our leaderboard, Mac Truck, mean reversion. Mean reversion is making a big comeback here. It's unanimous. Mean reversion across the community is currently the bot to trade. The goose is loose on gold. Last trade. The goose is loose. Look at that. That's our entry. That's our Heikinashi entry, everybody. The breakthrough resistance with the high volume candles, 15 above the 50. Green background bias. Take it long. Man, that is our bread and butter on the Heikinashi. That is our bread and butter trade. Abayomi, I'm going to send you the coupon code as soon as I get back. I got to run out the door. Look at this gold trade go. When I'm up 800, I squeeze it a little bit. You ready? Okay. I got to go, everybody. My wife's about to yank me out of my chair. Have a blessed day, everyone. Thanks for joining me. So long, everyone. Bye-bye.